My niggas out here doing this shit. I'm finna show y'all how it really get down. Let's see. Mama always tell him to do the shit, right? Look, I tell him like, But look, see, when I was little, my mama said, People say I copied that nigga from last time, right? Hey, trip. But look, I'm gonna give y'all part 2 on my page, but look, see that. But that's the thing, y'all talking about. Rock on. But look, a little boy in the jungle. I used to crawl around the grass and watch the bitches say, let's run. I ain't ready yet. But see, I grew up in the hard life. See, these niggas, they used to try to stab me with a knife. I went to jail. But at the same time, I'm giving head. It's cocaine crazy, bitch. You know, you better get the mail. On the first like a clucker. I'm looking for the butter, and every time I wake up, I'm like, fuck, where my fucking cup? Stole a nigga junk in the park. I'm going in the dark. I used to shine in the middle of the park, but shit, I had long nights and I was cold. When the summer came up, I ain't say shit, I was young, now I'm getting old. But look, now they think it's funny when I rap now. Last year, starting to go on Snap now, fuck with it. LOG in the back of my mind. I used to fuck them down piece hoes and that rats on my mind. Hey, look, I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to speak it real, speak it trill. A lot of niggas hate me because I keep it real, what's the deal? Yeah, I'm cocaine crazy. Remember that. Kane 98, if you will. Look up that nigga, yeah. I was a little young boy yelling at him. It go down like this, man, in my city. Triple D. I'm going in, man. They don't like the way I talk. I ain't copying that nigga. I'm just gonna speak it real when I come out top like, look. Alright, part 2, man. Y'all fuck with me though, man. This cocaine crazy, man. These niggas don't like when I do this shit, man. Shout out to all these niggas out here really just doing this shit. I speak it real though. That was out the dome though, you know what I'm saying? And don't get it twisted, you know what I'm saying? Cause I've been doing this shit. A young nigga, man. My daddy holding it down up there in South Carolina or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Big up, shout out to him. But you know what I'm saying? I'ma hold it down in the deep. You know what I'm saying? Y'all rate this video. Look me up, become my friend. My song in the background. It go like this.
I wanna keep this shit 100 jail off top.
And that's just off top, you know what I'm saying? But when I come out the brain, it be on some other shit. So, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with me, man. Follow me at Triple D Kane. Look me up on YouTube, Kane, Kane1988 if you will. Facebook me, Kane KJ Jackson. But it get real, man. I'm out, man.